Hello foodies, I am Kanak. Welcome to my channel Ready Steady Eat. Today I am going to show you how to make wonderful Valentine's cookies. These are heart-shaped red cookies which are made during the time of Valentine's, especially for your loved ones. First up, beat all the wet ingredients, so we'll start beating up the butter until creamy for around 2 minutes. Now next add in the sugar and beat for 2 more minutes, and next I'm going to mix in the egg and mix well until everything is combined well. Keep mixing it and whisking it and keep it aside. Now next mix together all the dry ingredients like the flour, the baking soda, salt. Now stir and mix well. Now stir the dry ingredients into the wet mixture and mix well until everything is combined and comes together. Also add in the vanilla at this point of time and the red food color and mix well to make a dough out of it this way. Once the dough is ready, wrap the dough in a plastic or a cling wrap and refrigerate it for at least 1 hour so that it forms enough to form cookies. Now remove the dough from the fridge and place it onto a lightly floured surface and roll out the dough to a thickness of 1/4 inch thick. Keep turning the dough as you roll, making sure the dough doesn't thick to the counter. Now cut out the shape using a lightly floured heart-shaped cookie cutter and transfer the cookies to the prepared baking sheet. And now bake it into the oven for about 15 minutes or until they are done enough. Once they are done, remove it from the oven and lightly sprinkle with some powdered sugar or icing sugar while they are still warm and serve. And my beautiful and lovely looking heart-shaped red cookies are ready. As you can see, they look perfect. And do surprise your loved one, especially by making these cookies for them. You can wrap it in a nice container or in a nice basket for gifting option. And if you want, you can also put some frosting or icing of your choice. So do try this and let me know how it turned out in the comment section below. Happy Valentine's Day. Enjoy. Bye-bye.